Using iCloud gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to redeem the value for various Apple services. Follow these steps to make the most of your gift card. Step 1. Check your device. Ensure you have a compatible Apple device such as an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and that you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the App Store. On your device, locate and open the App Store app. This is where you will redeem your gift card. Step 3. Access your account. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the App Store. This will take you to your account settings. Step 4. Redeem gift card. Select the option that says Redeem gift card or code. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID for verification. Step 5. Enter the code. Carefully enter the code from your iCloud gift card. If you have a physical card, you may need to scratch off the protective coating to reveal the code. After entering the code, tap Redeem to add the balance to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your gift card balance will be available for use on iCloud services and other Apple purchases. Enjoy your new services.